Hey, today I'll show you how to download the Binance app for Windows. So we are right now on binance.com/en. Don't download the Binance app from anywhere else because it's extremely risky and also because this is an official website, right? So what you have to do once you are on binance.com, scroll down until you'll find this pop-up, and from here you can download the app for macOS, for Windows and Linux. Let's select Windows and the app is being downloaded right now. Let's open the installer and let's start installing it. It should be done pretty quick. I will select English. This is the location of the application. If you want, you can change it. I want to install it in C, and I will press on install. And we can press on finish. I will leave this mark on so it will run automatically once I will press on finish, and it just pop up on my other monitor. This is the application, and what's left to do, if you don't have an account you can press on register, or if you already have an account you can press on login, exactly as I'm going to do. So this is how to get the Binance app for Windows. I hope it helped, and thank you all for watching.